Looking for a car that is reliable, fuel efficient, and stress-free to maintain? Meet the Toyota Corolla 2013, a perfect balance of comfort, durability, and everyday performance. Under the hood, this car comes with a 1.8-liter engine that delivers smooth and consistent power. Whether you are driving through city traffic or cruising on the highway, the Corolla gives you a stable and comfortable ride. One of its biggest strengths is fuel economy. This car helps you save money by consuming less fuel, making it a smart choice for daily use, especially with rising fuel prices. Step inside and you will notice a clean and comfortable interior. There is enough space for 5 passengers with good legroom and headroom to keep everyone relaxed during the journey. The air conditioning is strong and reliable, perfect for hot weather conditions. When it comes to safety, the Toyota Corolla 2013 doesn't disappoint. It comes with equipped airbags, anti-lock braking system, and stability control to keep you protected on the road. In terms of technology, you get features like Bluetooth connectivity, a quality sound system, and steering wheel controls. Everything you need for a convenient driving experience. Another major advantage is maintenance. Spare parts are easy to find and repairs are affordable. This makes the Corolla one of the most practical cars to own, especially in Nigeria. The suspension is strong enough to handle rough roads, and the car is built to last for years with proper care. Overall, the Toyota Corolla 2013 is not about luxury or speed. It's about reliability, comfort, and peace of mind. If you are looking for a car you can depend on every day, every single day, this might just be the perfect choice for you.